Chief Justice of India, Honorable Supreme Court of India ki Chief Justice of India dasu masigumba rumors ki matang da professionally ai ki maming bu direct to base masigi matang dasu chithi ma soidani iragani aru haji ki oina di Manipur ki haji ki president rule lairibni na Manipur asi is under the president rule through the governor of Manipur Mahaki secretary to the governor da masi chi pisangre masida aina hajari base request for security of life and properties and protection against maligning name of myself the undersigned in an unconnected case of alleged audio tape case in Honorable Supreme Court of India aiga mari sulai lena da case amada ayak podu ki ukil o yahaina o da pada namsan base masidi it is malicious defamatory and sigumba rumors sina sandoga rumors sandoga singsu please delete this post any high court Supreme Court district court so maramdi video conferencing as digitally connect tawrabni khoi gi India laiba court khurimak se aduda kanagumba kharana ai aduda tholakpada ure harga hajiki case adugi matangda petitioner gi ukil loire haina sandokpase masidi yamna tragedy ni masi bung nokning badi lai koi ngasi pung khargi mamangda hajik yam kanna Facebook ta social media da viral oidana WhatsApp ta ai ha gi samakki ming sinare harga photo na sing sinare harga kanagumba maruina BJP ga loina ba mayamna tawre harga ngasi I as an advocate oina asigi Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court of India da alleged audio tape leak case samgi matang da I si petitioner to gi council oi haidana aran prasar mayam ama sandok ta ngasi Facebook da jik viral oi na tana mayam na khoi gi rumor do sandok pa na tana makhal makha gi akhoi oi da ba conclusion mayam ama pi dana defamation tawba intimidation tawba mayam da leba praja mayam da lan honba masigi matangani ai ha isamak ki Facebook amasung Twitter da pungkhar gi mamang da ai hakna madugi matang da phajana haijagre madudi high river case asida ai isamak petitioner ki maikai de gisu respondent Union of India respondent ki maikai de gisu party moina ai ha ko as an advocate oina engage to gi basu laiti laga consult to gi basu laiti adu kam dauna BJP amasung makoi ki mi kharana politically motivated oiba mi kharana ai hak pu amasung makoi ki Congress party bu chingsil laga mi Manipur gi khang hairaba miyam praja mamangda lan ohan base masidi yamna illegal oi unfortunate oi haibata nasatana ngasi ai sabakna honorable governor da maramdi Manipur ase president rule laimna honorable governor da haki later ma hojik pisan jargani ma ki secretary to the governor da masi WhatsApp ta thajakre Manipur gi director general of police Manipur gi chief secretary Manipur gi additional director general of police makoi da so it is loina bag masi gi letter sing se online da WhatsApp ta makoi moi personal number dai thajakre adu haju chief secretary da su thana tawri my personal WhatsApp number da sigumba aranba pawsida akoina haja ninglibadi advocate haibasi engage tawnu bidamakta appear tawnu bidamakta party aduna wakalat namada sign tawo ma darkar tai client adugi Supreme Court ta ngasi chadagiba case aduda mayamna khangbibiu maduri chief justice Chandrachud na COVID ki matam dagi khoi video conferencing se link tawre Manipur ki high court Manipur ki court loina ba Supreme Court Gujarat high court any high court ajukti BC link khatani anyone adu sanga ga yengbai media gi mi myam lising lak ta yengi ba aduda kana gum khana ngasi ki case ri work ki case ki matang do 2 pm dagi hawi 10:30 dagi ajum mentioning taw mayam haugre akoi di as a professional leibani na hiram gunimukta online loina present any high court Supreme Court district court so maramdi video conferencing as digitally connect tawrabni khoi gi India laiba court khurimak se aduda kanagumba kharana ai aduda tholakpada ure harga hajiki case adugi matangda petitioner gi ukil loire haina sandokpase masidi yamna tragedy ni masi bung nokning badi laite aduna akoina thamjning libasi rumor se karai digi sandorake haiba matam sida BJP amasung makoi ga saminari ba makoi gi supporter makoi gi like minded kangbu sing digi sandore adu ngasi gi Manipur asidi hojiki termoi leiraba chahi ani phajalakadra basi gi termoi sida anything anytime sigumba rumor se thola ga mi gi yum mai thaba mi bu hat patu tawba sina ba hona ba makhal makha ke arum tawbu yai tawsu tawki ba thenakre aduna hoji akoina adudaki ni ai samak na governor da chief secretary da DGP da masi ai bo ina ngasi ijari basi maramdi masi gi rumor se masi na han basu natte aroi basu oigani haiba thajade adubu sigumba rumor se na tholakpadi ngasi Manipur se ngasi termoi gi phibum se leiri bane ba aduna भारत की संविधान की मखादा नागरिक अमा ओइबना नतना मियोइबा अमा ओइना फंडामेंटल राइट्स हाइबसे लाइरी राइट टू लाइफ एंड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज हाइबसे मसिगी फंडामेंटल राइट्स से प्रोटेक्ट तौबियु हाइदना सिदा करिगुंबा फतनुंग थोगदी मणिपुर के गवर्नर चीफ सेक्रेटरी DGP अमसुंग BJP अमसुंग मखो के लोइना समिनारिबा मिसिंग दायित्व लौगदबनी हाइबसिनी हागना थमजनिंगी बसे अदुगा ngasi di state की लेवल इरे हयेंग di भारत की राष्ट्रपति जी प्रधानमंत्री Home Minister Amit Shah ji dasu iragani aduga Chief Justice of India Honorable Supreme Court of India ki Chief Justice of India dasu masigumba rumors ki matang da professionally ai ki maming direct to base masigi matang dasu chithi ma soidan iragani aduga haju ki oina di Manipur ki haju ki president rule lairibni na Manipur si it's under the president rule through the governor of Manipur Mahaki secretary to the governor of Masichi Pishangre, Masida in Hajari Basi, request for security of life and properties and protection against maligning name of myself, the undersigned, in an unconnected case of alleged audio tape case in Honorable Supreme Court of India. I got Marisulay and the case of the Ayakodu Ukil O Yahaina or the Padaban Namsan Base. Masidi, it is malicious, defamatory, and Sigumba rumors in a Sandoga, rumors Sandoga Singsu, please delete this post. Rumor Sandopiganu, whosoever you are, BJP, Amazon BJP Mari Lainaba, BJP supporter, Aduga Kanja Dana, Hajik Facebook, the social media, share Tolba Singadu, Madu delete Tokpiko, Arubasigumba Oidra Padaba, news say Masigumba, rumors say Masida support Tobiganu, I am Matungina, Akoi legal proceedings to Lokalagani, Hajiki Oinadi, constitutional positional lady sing, Adugo authority singda, Akoi Ishagi Oina, protection of life and properties, Adu Karigumba, Masida. Atopa akaya to talk to the Makta Masi akoi security protection ki the Makta koi iraga hajabani adu sigumbe rumor se Masi akoi the Bukta advocate ama oina Congress ki oina Congress committee ki position nama the later Bukta asumai na kashunai tana pung karada ming ase direct tawraga photo season raga isagi maming direct tawraga Facebook ta post tawriba sing maming mathal oina later screenshot oina lahore isa na khangaga hajik Pung Tarani Togi Madung de Shana delete of you, Karumata would have a talk at the Ishagi, Facebook link, WhatsApp link, WhatsApp group, admin will be sing Namadu Dital you, WhatsApp group, Mayama Sandopa Tenere, Supreme Court Judgment, Mayama to Lay Gravani, WhatsApp group admin, Aduka social media, Facebook group admin, Ishana Dital you, Ishana Madu delete the Popico, Ishana personal. Facebook account, social media account ki thagala gasu madu ki daita laure hara ka delete tawbi ko madu guma arano pawado aduga iri ba khudimag na apology tawbi aran ba paw ni haibado haibiramu kariguma hairam da thokla ka di within 12 hours after 12 hours akoi legal proceeding lokalagani aduga loina na sasan nasi president rule ki mahada leiringa sida sigumba rumor sandokda authority na hoji pokta tumina leibase sumoto case amda lakotta base masi thawingi tawlabra haina singnabasu lai masi yamna laibak thibani friends I hang na ngasi Facebook ta Twitter da thamjaki ba statement do mayam dang pathok sake maduri there is a rumor going around that I have appeared as an advocate for petitioner in the alleged leaked audio tape case in Supreme Court. I have to inform you all that I am not a counsel or advocate of the petitioner or any party or the respondent in the said alleged leaked audio tape case. It's extremely unfortunate to see the spread of rumor and false news dragging my name in a case which is not related with me. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent in the alleged audio tape in the Supreme Court has engaged me as their advocate. I have neither signed in their wakalatnama nor met any of the petitioner or the respondent in the case. Please do not spread rumor. Sigi statement so na Facebook amasung Twitter da pungkhari mangda thamjakram despite that BJP amasung mahaki party na sandorai I want clarification from BJP Manipur Pradesh president what is your intent Congress ki mingshina raga ya ki mingshina raga sigumba aran ba prasar tawraga lebak irang mai honaba amuka siliba BJP ki kari propaganda no ba BJP ki mayam ama social media da Facebook ta makoi hapakpa makoi ki mi mayam tek tawpa mayam na loin khange koi loi screenshot lawra ga lehore madu tawbidna ba BJP ki Manipur Pradesh ki president haijari karigumba pung train thoki man lakhor pa tadragati legal proceedings will be taken place. Aduka loina na masidani I have hajari base masigi letter sida. It is background of serious concern of spreading rumor like wildfire in a few minutes on social media. I request your cooperation and support in stopping the rumor and false news and further request you to kindly provide me security protection for my life and properties as enshrined in the fundamental rights and constitution of India. Haidana Governor da, Chief Secretary da, DGP, additional DGP da masimak I ijakre makoi ki concerned secretary sing aduga personal level so makoi what's the person WhatsApp number hajakre now I will hand over this officially in their respective offices ado I will briefly say so in English mayam da hagna hajani gimsi Manipur prajara sigumba rumor sila thajabiganu aduga sigumba rumor sandoiba sing desu support tobiganu aduga karigumba khangdana tobiramagadi madu delete tobiko aduga karigumba thawingi sum masigi press conference laina sigi matung dubuk tawragadi makogi mathakta legal action solution lokani aduga hayengdi masigi matangda Bharat ki Rashtrapati ji Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji Bharat ki Graha Mantri Amit Shah ji da aha isamang letter irgani aduga Supreme Court of India ki Honorable Chief Justice of India dasu masamak dasu ai isamang letter irgani friends it is very surprising that my name has been dragged in a case which is not related with me. There is an ongoing case related with an alleged audio tape case in the Honorable Supreme Court today. And there is a social media rumor going around, false news, saying that I was the advocate, the counsel of the petitioner in that alleged audio leak case in the Supreme Court today. Friends, I have already stated my statement both on Facebook and Twitter. It has appeared that some persons from BJP and BJP have spread this rumor, maligning my name, dragging my name along with the Congress party, saying that we are connected with that case. That case has nothing to do with me professionally. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent nor any party has come to engage me. I am not even their counsel, I am not even their advocate. I am not signing their wakalatnama. But in a few hours, within 2 hours, it has spread like wildfire. Who is benefiting this? Who is benefiting by maligning, by spreading false rumors against me as an advocate, against the Congress party? It is only the BJP and his cohorts. So I am urging the people of Manipur and those who are on social media, kindly delete your posts, these rumor posts, which is not connected with me. You must know, friends, today, in today's world of digital era, Supreme Court hearing, High Court hearing, District Court hearing, any court hearing, they can be watched online by anyone through video conferencing. Now, if your name comes and appears for it, will you say that you have become an advocate for that party? That is most bizarre. That's the most bizarre that I have seen and I have heard. And this is not a mere coincidence. This, I believe, has been done with a deliberate plan to attack me. I have written a letter to the Honorable Governor because Manipur is under the President rules. I have written the same letter to the Chief Secretary of Manipur, to the Director General of Police and Additional Director General of Police Manipur to ensure my life and protection as enshrined in as fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. I have already given my statement already on social media. But despite that, these people, some people, anti-social elements, people linking with the BJP they have furthered the spreading of the rumor. So it is my humble request and indeed my humble appeal to all of you, kindly delete this post which is false, fabricated, which is nothing to do with me professionally or otherwise. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent has come to me, has engaged me as an advocate. And now, within 2-3 hours, they have spread the news that I have appeared for them, I have argued for them, I have become the petitioner's counsels. Friends, if anything happens to me, the Governor of Manipur, the Chief Secretary, DGP and the BJP and his cohorts must be held responsible. Tomorrow, I'll be writing the letter to the Honorable President of India, to the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, in this regard, so that I shall be protected. I and my properties need to be protected. At the same time, I will be writing a letter to the Honorable Chief Justice of India of Honorable Supreme Court. Friends, we have to be extremely cautious about such rumor. This is not the first and I hope this is the last rumor ever here in the state of Manipur. In our state, which is being turmoil for the last 2 years, such rumors have destroyed Manipur. We, the people of Manipur, must stand unitedly against such false news. I humbly appeal to those who have shared on social media, kindly delete those rumors, those false news. Otherwise, after 12 hours, we will go for legal proceedings against them. I also request the admins of the WhatsApp groups, admins of Facebook pages to ensure that to bind by the legalities. And the law says that any false news, rumor need not to be posted, need to be deleted. And this is again my humble reminder to all of you. Kindly, if you are an admin of a WhatsApp group, because I have been seeing WhatsApp group is still going on viral on WhatsApp group and on Facebook pages, please, dear admins, please do your responsibility by deleting this rumor, this false news. And also, if you are still further posting as an individual social handle accounts, we will be taking the screenshot and taking your Facebook link, Google link, Twitter link, and we'll be giving the same thing as per the law after 12 hours tomorrow. And this is the need of the hour. And friends, I am indeed happy that at this odd hour you have all come. Thank you.